Smart office collaboration rooms are an easy way to collaborate with coworkers, partners, and customers. Use your room's unique web address to invite others. The desktop and mobile clients offer the richest experience. Guests may also join with a web browser. Once your account is activated, you'll receive a web address and user credentials. Paste the web link into a browser and follow the steps on the screen to download the application. If you're using a Smart Office desktop or mobile client, you can also launch the room from there. On Windows computers, once the download is complete, run the app. For Mac users, open the DMG file in your Downloads folder and drag the client application into the Applications folder. This installation is typically only required once. After that, the information is stored as a cookie on the browser. If you sometimes use different browsers on the same machine, you'll need to repeat the process for each browser type. Select Continue to complete the installation. After installation, choose whether you enter the room using your computer for audio and video or use a separate phone for audio. We recommend using your computer's audio and video, but if you need to use phone audio, the dial-in numbers and access codes are provided. Selecting phone audio automatically disables your computer's mic and speakers to prevent conflicts. Guests can just type in their name and select Join. To access your own room as the moderator, use the Click Here to Sign In button. You'll be prompted for your credentials. Be sure to select the Keep Me Signed In option so you can skip this step in the future. You can always enter your own room as a guest, but you'll lose access and moderator controls. By default, you'll enter the room with your mic and speakers turned on and camera off. Use the icons at the bottom center to enable or disable the mic and camera. Right-clicking on each icon brings up a menu to change the inputs. In the upper left, you can view the number of people in the room. Use the Options icon to see a list of attendees. This menu pane also provides access to moderator controls. Moderators have the power to mute mics, disable cameras, or remove participants. Use the group chat icon in the lower right to chat with the room's participants. Use the screen share icon to share content from one application or share an entire screen. Application sharing enables a secondary menu. Use the preview to select an app or screen to share. Click Start Sharing. Another tip: if you share your entire screen, it's a good idea to close programs that use pop-up notifications. When you share content, the Collaboration Room application shrinks to get out of the way. Use the green arrows to expand the app or the orange button to stop sharing. If someone else is sharing, you can use the Expand Video icon to view content in a separate window and resize as desired. Any participant in the room can share. Be aware that if you start sharing while someone else is sharing, your content will replace theirs. Use the red Hang Up icon to disconnect from the room. This video is meant to be an introduction. With regular use, you'll learn even more. Thanks for your attention. Go collaborate.